In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Udemy section as complete on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your progress accurate so you can pick up right where you left off every time. Start by opening the course in your web browser. On desktop, the course curriculum, sometimes called the course content, lives to the right of the video player. If your screen is narrow or you don't immediately see the full list of sections and lectures, look for the expanded or full view option to reveal the complete curriculum panel. This panel organizes everything by section, and under each section you'll see individual items like lectures, quizzes, or assignments. Next, move your cursor over the lecture title you want to mark as complete. As you hover over that title in the curriculum list, you'll notice a small blank square right next to it. That square is the checkbox you'll use to control completion. If it's already checked, it means Udemy counts that specific item as completed. If it's blank, it hasn't been marked yet. Now click the blank square. The moment you click it, the square turns into a check mark. That visual change is your confirmation that Udemy now registers that lecture or item as completed. You may also see your overall course progress update, which helps you keep track of how much you've finished and what's still ahead. Here's an important note. If you watch an entire lecture from start to finish, Udemy usually marks it complete for you automatically. That means you don't always need to click anything when you finish watching. However, if you paused near the end, skipped around, or closed the tab before the last seconds, the automatic completion might not trigger. In that case, simply use the checkbox you just learned about. One click will bring your progress back in line with what you've actually completed. If the checkbox isn't immediately visible, make sure the curriculum panel is expanded and you're hovering your cursor directly over the lecture title, not the section header. Also, ensure you're on the desktop site in a standard browser window so the panel displays as expected. And that's it. Open the course and view the curriculum. Hover over the specific lecture title to reveal the checkbox. Click the blank square to mark it. And remember that Udemy often marks items complete automatically when you finish them. With these simple actions, your course progress will always reflect your real learning.